Alrighty, so here's my progress. Still got to figure out how to attach a belt system through here with a motor out on the back to push and pull this thing, but the motion is actually there. This whole thing will slide out and back in. This whole thing on the belt drive system, if you turn it, it'll move. Hard to see it move, but it slides on these. And then this here will control the up down of the router. It's going up. It's very slow because I can't turn it that fast. Anyway, but that motor will turn it just fine. Anyway, there's my machine. Just need to mount another motor here. I'm gonna lift this whole thing up and then put a solid base on the bottom, and then have that'd be my cutting surface on top of that. So then it'll be done. Just need to hook up all the electronics, all the motors to the power supply, or well, to my handy dandy CNC controller, my Tiny G version 8. And after that, then my 24 volt power supply right here. And then we're up and running. Almost there.